Hello beautiful people. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are seeing this my face for the first time, you are highly welcome, and please subscribe if you have not. Okay, please subscribe. Okay, please subscribe if you have not, and hit the notification bell as well. Okay, so in today's video I'm going to be answering your questions. Yes, you asked me and I answered. So I got a lot of questions, not a lot, few questions from few friends. Yes, so they asked me, promise, does YouTube really pay? How much do they pay? Or is it just audio money? Are you making money from YouTube? So I'm going to be answering all that your questions, so keep watching. So first of all, I want to use this opportunity to say a big thank you to all my amazing subscribers, to my returning subscribers, to my old subscribers, to the ones that are going to subscribe now. I just want to say a big thank you to all of you, and those who also watch my videos. I want to say a big thank you to all of you. You guys are amazing. Someone asked me, does YouTube really pay? Yes, YouTube does pay. But before you start getting paid on YouTube, you need the 1,000 subscribers and the 4,000 watch hour that YouTube is required to have before you will be allowed into the partnership program. Yes. So when you have that 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hour, then you apply for monetization. Then YouTube is going to accept you into the partnership program. Then when you are accepted into the partnership program, you can start placing ads on your videos, each of your videos. Before, YouTube does allow the mid-roll ads in a 10 minutes long video, but right now they just change it to 8 minutes video. Right now you can add mid-rolls ad to 8 minutes video, long, more than 8 minutes or 8 minutes video. Before it was 10 minutes, but right now YouTube changed it to 8 minutes. You can add mid-rolls ads to those videos. So, and you have to make sure your subscribers are enjoying your content, they are watching you, and they are not skipping the ads. So that is another way you are going to make money. Open a membership. I think it's membership program, because I don't have it yet. I'm thinking of opening it, but I'm thinking, who is getting my membership? So guys, that is the other way that you can make money from YouTube. Or you are live stream, you enable your super chat, people are giving you like $2, $1, $3. That is another way you are going to make money from YouTube. And before YouTube start to pay you, you need to have at least $100 in your revenue. You need to have $100 before YouTube will require for your account details. Then you put your account details, they send you a pin. I think that's how they do it, because I've not gotten to that process. So they will send you a pin before they wire the money inside your account. So that is how YouTube is going to pay you. Yes, YouTube does pay. And they asked me how much am I making. Before you start really making good money on YouTube, you have to make sure people are watching your videos, you're having enough views, people are watching the video. But right now I'm not having enough view, and I hope people get to watch my video one day and I will have a lot of view. No, I'm not trying to discourage you. If you want to start a YouTube channel, you can still start. You can still start, okay? I'm not trying to discourage you. Just start from somewhere, okay? If you are trying to start. So that is for that. Right now I have not received any money from YouTube. I have not received any money, because your money is $100 on your revenue before YouTube will pay you. And YouTube does not have a particular amount they pay you in a month. It depends on how you work. That's how you get paid. What I mean by how you work is how you upload videos, and how you are going to get paid. You will receive your last account. So right now I have not my revenue is not up to $100. So anything that I make now is going to be with YouTube. If I make if I make $90 now, it's going to be with YouTube, because they're not going to pay me, or else that money get to $100 that they require. That is when they are going to ask for bank details. Then I put the bank details, they send me a pin, I enter the pin, they put the money in my bank account. So that is for that. I'm not receiving money yet. That's why I'm trying my best, and I'm begging you all to please watch my video and my ads so I can make the money. Go to my revenue now. What I'm just going to be seeing there is like maybe 96, 98 or 60 something cents dollar. That is what I see for there now. But that is why I'm begging all of you to please watch my video, watch the ads, don't skip the ads, please. But I'm enjoying what I'm doing. To be sincere, I'm enjoying the community, I'm enjoying everything about this YouTube. Like, so guys, I hope I've answered your question. Right now I'm not making money from YouTube, but very soon I believe I'm going to make money from YouTube. I've answered your question, and please, like I said, please watch my video, don't skip the ad, subscribe if you have not. Okay, thank you very much, and God bless you as you do. By the way, happy Sunday to you all. Today is Sunday and I'm just coming back from church. Happy Sunday. Don't worry, if you are starting a YouTube channel in 2020, if you want to start right now, just start something. Okay, just start something. Start from somewhere first, and believe that one day you are going to blow. You are going to be like those your favorite big YouTuber that you have always been playing to be like. Okay, just start something, and don't let that money discourage you. Okay, one day you are going to make money from YouTube. That is my belief, even if I'm not making the money right now, but one day I'm still going to make that money. That is my belief. It's keeping me going. And my amazing family and friends on this YT, they are the one keeping me motivated. I say a big thank you to all of you once again, and have a lovely, peaceful week. Okay, I love you all. Bye.